What if I told you that mastering multiple skills isn't just for geniuses? You don't need a 200 IQ, years of schooling, or some rare genetic advantage to become a polymath. The truth is, anyone can develop expertise in multiple fields if they know how to learn the right way. Today, I'm breaking down the exact methods used by history's greatest polymaths so you can start leveling up your mind like never before. Step 1. The dopamine learning hack. Ever wonder why some people stay motivated to learn while others quit after a few days? It all comes down to dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. When learning feels rewarding, your brain craves more of it. Gamify your learning. Set up small, instant rewards for progress. Every time you finish reading a chapter, solve a problem, or master a concept, give yourself a dopamine boost. Whether it's checking off a progress tracker, treating yourself to something small, or even just celebrating the win. Even better, turn learning into a challenge. Set a 7-day mastery goal, like learning 50 new words in a week, or explaining a complex concept in one sentence. The trick is to make progress visible so your brain stays hooked on learning. Polymaths don't just learn, they make learning addictive. Step 2. The cross-training effect. Polymaths don't learn skills in isolation. They mix them, combining knowledge in ways that create exponential growth. This is called interdisciplinary learning. If you're learning a new skill, pair it with something completely different. Want to get better at public speaking? Study storytelling techniques. Learning business? Read about psychology. The more unrelated the subjects seem, the better they work together. Why? Because your brain starts making unexpected connections, giving you insights that specialists miss. Step 3. Learn like Da Vinci, the curiosity formula. Leonardo da Vinci kept notebooks filled with questions. He didn't just accept what he was told, he questioned everything. Start a polymath notebook. Every time you're curious about something, write it down. Why is the sky blue? How do airplanes stay in the air? Why do people procrastinate? Then research the answers. Curiosity is a muscle. The more you train it, the smarter you become. Step 4. The fast-track learning formula. Polymaths don't waste time on slow learning methods. They use a systematic approach to master skills fast. Here's how you do it. Deconstruct. Break the skill into smaller, digestible parts. Select. Identify the most useful parts to learn first. Remember the 80-20 rule. Immerse. Surround yourself with experts, books, and real-world practice. Test and apply. Don't just passively consume information. Use it immediately. Example. Want to learn Spanish? Instead of memorizing endless vocabulary lists, start with the 100 most common words and speak from day 1. This is what polymaths do. They make learning practical, not theoretical. Step 5. The skill stacking. Cheat code. You don't have to be the best in the world at anything. Instead, polymaths stack multiple skills together, creating a unique advantage. Don't focus on mastering a single skill. Combine 2 or 3 that work well together. Example. You might not be the best writer, but if you combine writing plus psychology plus marketing, you suddenly have an unstoppable edge. The key is layering your knowledge to create something new. Step 6. Forget talent. Focus on systems. Polymaths don't rely on motivation. They build systems that force them to improve. Want to learn a new subject? Set up a daily micro-learning habit. Just 20 minutes per day compounds over time. Automate your learning. Listen to audiobooks while commuting. Set a rule to watch 1 educational video per day, or schedule weekly challenges where you apply what you've learned. Small, consistent efforts beat random bursts of motivation every time. Step 7. Teach to learn. The final polymath trick. If you want to learn 10 times faster, start teaching. Why? Because when you explain something to someone else, your brain has to deeply understand it. After learning something new, immediately summarize it in your own words. Better yet, teach a friend or write about it. If you struggle to explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough, so go back and refine your knowledge. Bottom line, becoming a polymath isn't about being a genius. It's about learning smarter, not harder. Follow these steps, and you won't just master one skill. You'll build an unstoppable library of knowledge that sets you apart from the rest. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to level up their mind. Because learning isn't just about knowing more, it's about becoming more.